Guys, welcome to my channel. I wanted to take a minute to show you this super cute little journal I made for my mom for Mother's Day. This came from Pink Paper Peppermints. Sorry, it's kind of a tongue twister. So this was her idea. She has a video on it. I'll link it below, and it's her papers that I purchased in her shop. Other than the ribbons and some other things that I'll mention along the way. So anyway, happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. But this could also be used for, actually it wasn't even set up as a Mother's Day thing. I think she, kind of did it as a spring, happy spring thing. But you could do it for anything. You could do it for birthdays, anything, basically anything. Mother's Day, birthdays, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm just gonna show you what I did. So she had really cute ribbon that she wrapped hers in. I only had this lace, so that's what I used. So anyway, here we go. So what I really love is she showed 3 different ways to bind this little book. So I'm calling this my Mother's Day card book. So I went out, I didn't have any fabric, at least not any cute fabric that would go with this. So little side here before we get into this. I went to Walmart just to look. I had seen before they had some little strips all cut up in a bag, but I couldn't find those. But these were on sale. They came in like packs of 4, something like this. I don't remember. So they were like $2 for the bundle of 4 pieces of fabric. So aren't those just adorable? I love them. Not sure what I'm going to do with them because I don't have a sewing machine and hand sewing is just not the thing for me. But anyway, I just wanted to show you these real quick. So they came in packs of 4 fabric, and it's a lot of fabric actually. And I'm sure it's because it's spring and they were, trying to clear them out. And all I used was about this much of each one little square, rectangle, whatever you want to call it. So if you have a Walmart, you like to go to Walmart, you should go up to Walmart in the sewing section and find these cute little bundles of fabric. Anyway, so there's the end of that. So anyway, then here's her cute little thing. She actually advertised this as a little, like a mini matchbook, and there was an end that came over. But mine actually got too full for that, and it would have messed up my little things hanging out on the edge. So here's her papers. She includes all of these little things in her package. Even this little card here that looks like a index card that she colored and put these little faith statements on, which this one already has the faith statement on it, but some of them that have little faith things on them, she also includes a blank version. Gosh, I just can't get my words out, can I? And of course these ribbons are mine and I add the little flower, but basically this was her idea. She showed you exactly how to put the ribbon on, add the little flower. Then I put some little instructions to my mom on the back about looking through everything because there's little gifts hidden inside. So anyway, and then I wrote a little note. This actually came off of a different set that I purchased from her, or actually it was a free gift. So if you are subscribed to her website or her newsletter, every month she sends out a free gift, a free digital gift. So there was this big tag on one of the prior gifts, and it's actually in here, and I printed it and it was too big for the book, so I just cut off the bottom part and used the top part as a little pocket. So anyway, this cute little girl, and I add a little sequin taggy thing, and then a gift card behind that for one of my mom's favorite places. These little cute little teacup flaps. I left some blank space so she could journal her memories or prayers or whatever she wanted. This, she showed you to make a little pocket out of. Of course, you could do whatever you want with it. And her video is much better than mine will be. I'm just showing you what mine looks like. So then there's these 2 separate cards, which she showed washi taping together, but you could also use them separately. And then I put another little message in there for my mom. This is also a corner of another tag that I couldn't use in this particular book. And this cute little, hopefully you can see how cute these little things are. But anyway, so there's room on the back to write little messages. She's got these cute little butterflies. which, you know, I put here on the angle so they kind of stick out. This little thing I bought, it came in a pack from Walmart as well. They were on sale. They had a pink version, which I really wanted, but it was $2 or $2.99, and this was 50 cents. So I'm cheap, what can I say? Thrifty. Thrifty, my mother would say. So then here's another little card from her thing and another gift card. And this tab actually was a freebie thing from her, one of her newsletters too, and I just used that. And this was my own lace right here. I just added some more little empty spots. And then this Counting Blessings is a stamp that I got somewhere, and I just stamped it on a piece of paper and put it on here. And then this I also got at Walmart. This was on sale, like for 50 cents. This little elasticy ribbon, super cute. And then she's got this little pocket. You're supposed to glue it together, ideally, but I didn't want my mom to have to try and fish it out. So since it's in a little elasticy thing, I just left it. This cute little bird's inside, if you can see it. Oh, let me see if I can get it. Hopefully you can see that. And then I put her another little message on the back. Another little card. I had tried to make a little belly band. It did not work out. It was too loose, and it's really hard to dig those staples out. So then I just took this little bit of blingy, I had some little blingy diamond wrap is what this is called. I got it from the dollar store a long time ago. And I just glued it down so that the card won't fall through. And everybody needs a little bling, right? This is hers. All of these pages, all these book pages are hers. This little envelope came in a Happy Mail from one of the girls in my journalers group. And then there's this cute little card here and another gift card for my mom. Then I made a little belly band with this. This is a little banner thing that's included in these two ladies. And another gift card and a little card from the set. And then this cute little thing, she shows you how to make this. It's a little teacup. And then basically what you do is just poke a little hole in there, run some twine through. She had a little stamp that she used that said, God is good or something, but I don't have that, so I just wrote it on there. And then I think she actually did it on one side, but I kind of sandwiched the piece of paper between the, or sandwiched the twine between pieces of paper. So on one side I wrote, God is great. And that way if it flips over on the other side, it says God is good. Then these are all, here's the tag I was talking about that came as a freebie. So I had just chopped off, I actually chopped off the top and then just did the corners, you know what I mean. Since I can't speak, apparently. And here's, I don't guess I should, oh, and this is a little pocket thing. She actually includes that as one of the things. So it's got just a little bit of extra paper and you flip it up. So that's the front side and that's the back side. And I used this little elastic cord that I got at Walmart. It's like for little kid jewelry making. I would have preferred to have something this is a little thin, and it's so plasticky that when you tie the knots, sometimes they come undone, so I had to tie it like 16 times. But anyway, so that's the center, which is what all of these are tied to. So basically there's two signatures, and I just took the little scraps of fabric and just tied them to each elastic on the outside. Then just some more of her paper, and here's her beautiful, what I do with them, I brought them over, oh. This is actually from a different set that I purchased. These beautiful butterflies, and she has like 9 pages of them that come in the set. And I just printed them on some vellum paper, or whatever that's called. Anyway, so that's really pretty. And then just a couple more little things from her set. And another little card. So basically all of this came together except for the tags that I mentioned that came off of another set. And then I bought these stickers at Walmart because I don't actually have a whole set of stickers that includes all the vowels, so I bought those from my mom. So that's it. I just wanted to show you that really cute before I went and take it to my mom. Hopefully she'll like it. So if you have any questions, you know, please put those below, but I will link her video and she explains everything very, very well. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this. Thanks so much.